Hi everyone, Hannah here with Cool Renewal Spa, and for today's Wisdom Wednesday, I'm going over our Bubbles and Brioche event with you guys. So this event will be on November 8th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at our South Charlotte location. That's the 7510 Pineville Matthews Road up in Suite 4B. And the purpose of the event is to show you guys all the new services that we're offering. So Kristen the PA is offering a prescription weight loss clinic. We're doing injectables, hormone replacement. We have CO2 laser, skin resurfacing, a Vanity Peel, laser hair removal, medical grade skincare. And as always, we'll have our CoolSculpting, CoolTone, the Microneedling, and the Aquafirme facial. Some of the reps will be here. We're also going to be doing 12 giveaways. So we're giving away a laser hair removal package, a SkinBetter Science skincare routine, a revision skincare routine. 3 people will win 30 units of Botox. We're giving away a lip filler package, a CoolSculpting Package, a CoolTone Package, and then we're also going to be giving away to 3 people either an Aquafirme facial or chemical peel. So if you win that, you'll get to pick. You'll get to meet the staff, see the new services, tour the spa. We're going to have some exclusive discounts, so the more you spend, the more you save type thing. You can learn about the services, save some money on the services, buy a package, enter the giveaways, and we'll also have some samples as well for you guys. So we're super excited, and we hope you can come out and see our new services, tour the spa, and we hope to see you there on November 8th from 5 to 8 p.m. at our South Charlotte location. Bye!